G'day guys, Ninja here. Got Tash on the table today. And today we're going to do maintenance treatment. So people often think that we only do fixing, we fix chronic pain and sports injuries, but no, there's a really importance on maintaining your body, being proactive rather than reactive. So we want to just demonstrate, you know, like a 10-minute treatment on legs. Calves and hammies, maybe a little bit of feet. So we'll do 5 minutes on each leg. And this is kind of what I would do while I'm having a chat. So yeah, that's a really important thing as well. Like when I connect with the person that we're working with, we're not working on them, we're working with them. And yeah, we really encourage a lot of people to kind of take care of the vessel, the human body. So the physical body is such an important part of being a human. So, and it's ground floor. It's not much fun in life if you've got pain or disease or things like that. You can't do what you want to do. So what's important to you it's impaired if you're kind of not functioning or you've got lots of pain. So we kind of really encourage being proactive and getting regular treatment for your fascia. The fascia is the most abundant part of the body, and it's, I've said in other videos, but it's just, such an integral part. You know, it's an electromagnetic or electrochemical system in the body that conveys messages all around the body. It's a hydration system of the body. I've kind of recently been finding out that it is a liquid gel. So it's water gel that irrigates, sends water all around the body. And what else is the structure of the body? So it gives us our body its integrity, its shape and its form, its ability to stretch and also compress. So that's very important for movement. But the other one is it holds our traumas as well. So emotion can be trapped in our fascia. So getting fascial work done is imperative for health. Because we want things to flow, we want things to move. If it's stuck, it's stagnant, it's doing us no good. So which is another little line. I'm not letting Tash talk yet, but movement is medicine.
Yes.
So I kind of thought about this the other week that we talk about movement is medicine and we just think about exercise, move your body, things like that, but it can go into deeper levels. So movement of your of the water, the hydration through your system, the blood through the system, movement, the elimination systems, your lymphatics, your endocrine system, it all needs to move. If it's stuck, it's stagnant, there's disease and lack of health.
I never thought of it that way as well.
So we need things to move. So we need moving water, running water, we need moving air, all that kind of stuff as well. And even the belief systems, sometimes they need to shift and move because we're stuck. If we're just so fixated on a belief system, we stop thinking, which can be a bad thing. We're not open to new possibilities, So, so movement is medicine. Remember that one. But don't just think of it as exercise.
All forms.
What needs to move. And then you can go outside, your gutters. Your pathways, what is it that needs to move? It can be in your car, it can be, you need to kind of clean your car.
Yeah, what's blocking?
Yeah.
And there's no flow of the water in the gutters. It's true.
The drains fill up after the winds and the rains, it causes problems. The water goes over the road, things like that.
And the cars stop.
Yeah.
Everything backs up.
Yeah.
Just like your shit.
Yeah.
All backs up.
It's accumulation. One of the things I love is we've got, we do a lot of towels here, and we've got some heat pump dryers, and a good gas dryer here. We do stacks of towels, and I'm interested in the filters, lint filters. So if somebody before you doesn't clean the lint filter, it stops. The machine stops with wet towels in it. You go to get them out and it's like...
it's damp. Exactly. It's never...
So like you wouldn't think that off these towels so much lint would come out, but it's microscopic at a time and that builds up. Okay, so that builds up in our body as well. So all the, crap that builds up, over time, it might be heavy metals and kind of stuff that from the sticky foods, like from the processed foods, this accumulates in our pipes.
Who's cleaning it?
Yeah, so you need to clean it. You need to move that every now and then. So it's the importance of detoxification and just one word, movement. So yeah.
Wow, what a message. Good one, Ned.
So there you go. Keep on moving. Because once you stop moving, there's no life.
Yeah.
Life depends on movement. So it's that vibration, when things die, that electricity leaves the body. So that's not what we want, especially if we value our health.
Yeah.
So I suppose if I can sum up my message is, what discomfort do you choose? Because if you're not choosing certain discomforts or inconveniences, well, there might be exercise, cleaning, organising, filing, things like that. Discomfort's going to find you. So that's not what you want what you want. It's disease, it's chronic pain, it's inflammation.
Yeah.
So it's lack of ability to do what you want to do with your life.
Yeah.
So that's the
limiting
pain.
yourself.
Yeah.
Because like you said about the beliefs, like then you can't move on, then you can't progress, whether it's work or relationships or whatever. Yeah, that's so good, Ned.
Yeah. So have a think about it. And it's like, it's honouring yourself a lot of times, isn't it, to move? Yeah. So
Exactly. No one else is just saying to a client before, no one else is gonna, you have to, it's all on you.
Yeah.
Like, what?
It is.
Do you want a better life? Like, you got to think that you deserve it. You shouldn't feel like shit. You shouldn't, but you got to want that for yourself first. No one else is gonna. We can tell you, but you can't.
Yeah.
You can't drag you to move, drag you to the lift club or wherever you want to progress. You have to get yourself there. You have to make those good habits, make those changes.
Yep. Yeah. Bang on, Tash.
Yeah.
No one can do, no one can do your movement for you. Yeah. No one can fast for you or detox. So, and kind of no one's force feeding you to, what you're putting in your mouth,
Exactly.
or what you're putting in your ears, or what you're watching, what you're listening to, what you're reading. Yeah. So you got to choose your feed.
Yeah, it won't happen otherwise. It's like with Aaron's fast that we're about to start on Monday. I'm going to do that, and my partner Johnny, I said to him, "Oh, you're going to do this fast?" And he was a bit hesitant. He hasn't committed, and it's like, "Nah, I'm not going to convince him." Of course, it'd be easier on me to have someone at home doing it with you, but no way am I going to be like, "Nah, you're doing this too. You have to do this with me." Because if he's not in it for the reasons that he needs to be in it for, then he's not going to do it properly. He's not going to his intention's not there to do it. Yeah. So he's not going to get out of it what he needs, and it's not going to help me, and there's no point. So, I've got the community, my own community there with Aaron and 14 others, I think it is. And we're going to help each other through that, through the WhatsApp messages and chatting. And so that's going to be our community. And they're the group that want to do it, that are committing themselves to it. And that's going to be the best way for me and all of us.
Yep.
You need to want it yourself.
Yeah, it's got to be genuine.
Yeah.
And I think it's wanting yourself to be better. And it's not comfortable when you're doing cleans, but you've got to want your health more. So that's what you got to think. We're just quitting and then getting that instant gratification of just eating or something like that when you kind of still got a few days to go or something. It's sort of, you're not kind of going to get the gold because a lot of times when you're doing the cleanse, it's when you're really uncomfortable, that's when the magic's actually happening. That's when the miracle's happening inside your body. It's doing the work, it's cleaning things out, or it's healing something. So yeah, you got to get out of your body's road and let it do its thing, because it will. It loves you. It loves you. It wants the best for you, but we're kind of been neglecting, abusing, and these kind of things. And yeah, you're in the state that you're in right now. So yeah, that's what it is. You've got to go in with a genuine want for your health and vitality. So yeah, if you don't want that, if it's forced from outside, you're being guilted into it, not going to work. Yeah. You're going to give up. It's too hard. You're just saying that, oh, the universe is telling me, no, I'm not, it's not for me. Something like that, you know.
It's so easy to find that resistance, isn't it? And go, oh, well, nah. Yeah. To back out, pull out and give up. Yeah. That's where that community helps. Yeah. And like and timing too, people always kind of use timing as an excuse. Yeah. But fucking, when is the best right time? When is the perfect time? You know what? It's never going to be the perfect time. Yeah, that's so true. Is it? There's always going to be something, this dinner or this engagement party or this whatever. Someone wrote in the group already, it's my birthday on Monday, I'm starting on Tuesday. Yeah. So it's exactly right. It's like, it's so easy to just find something. Yeah. Yeah. It's just, humans do that. Something to justify behaviour or getting out of it or whatever it might be. It's so true. This side's felt like it needed it more.
Needed a bit more love, yeah. So good for your awareness. That's what deep bodywork does. You're aware of how your body's operating, because she won't lie. The body won't lie when you push into it. When it's relaxed, it should be squishy and pain-free relatively, or just good level of therapeutic pain. Yeah. But when it's kind of a bit over that for what the exertion from your practitioner has given you, then you kind of know that it needs a bit more of a clean. Yeah. A bit more attention. Oh. Yeah. What is it? So Tash might be able to do a bit more, release work on her own leg, or some compression, or some heat therapy, something like that, or maybe look at, we were talking about diet, and maybe some stuff that helps with inflammation, like some turmeric or ginger, different things like that. So awareness is a good thing, because you don't know what you don't know is a thing. So, but when you explore, then you find out. So that's cool.
Exactly. So good. Good pain. So much good pain. Thank you, Ninch.
That's cool. I'll do a little bit on your Achilles.
Thank you. Perfect. I think I'm going to need that.
Just pin it like that and scoop it up nice and deep.
Just like our training, hey, this morning.
Yeah.
That's what we did, isn't it?
Yeah. So we workshop, It's a good learning environment that we encourage. So we want everyone to kind of feel this work, do the work, see the work. Yeah. That's the way to be a connoisseur, but you know it from a few different angles. You know what good body work is, opposed to no man's land, we say, off the mark, just not connecting, not going to give that full benefit that somebody could be potentially getting, because it's just heart's not in it. Yeah. So when your heart's in it, magic happens.
That's it. Intentions.
Yeah.
Good intentions.
Yeah. There you go. Awesome. Just a
Yeah.
hit on the foot and say, "You fixed." Go out there and run, Tash.
Woo!
Yeah, look at that. So yeah, prevention, be proactive, get your maintenance treatments done, get your fascial work done. It's really important for your health.
Thanks, Ginger.
Thank you. Done.